This episode is brought to you by TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com. TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's TwoLinedMusicCutStore.com. Now let's check out this episode.
All these time, Buju song not released yet.
Okay, I see what's going on here.
This time. So, me know say I hear the song. Me I'm supposed to hear the song because here when the song get big now. Me sit down at Arrows one day and see this white tall here brother coming in the studio and I talk about, yo, who name Ninja Kid? And Shelter Rock say, see him there? And say, come here. You know me? I say, no. It's a Minnie and Rory from Stone Love. You sing that song there? And I say, yeah. Man say, you need to voice it to me. I say, you need to give me $3,000. The man will come and say, I'm not giving you $1. I am like the radio station of music. It's busting like a bus now. I'm say, as bad as it be, I take off 5, give me 2.5. The man say, I want to him. Well, him not give me the money. Where you think me do? I just walk out of the studio. When me what I do, I major mackerel, I say, come and grab me in my neck. Yeah, idiot boy. I want to hear you and say, see, I still love that. Go in the studio, go sing the song. And I say, Mackerel, I want to them not have money, them not can pay me. Man say, no look for the money, go and go sing the song. Go in there. And the baddest never do the dub. Because I tell you, Stone Love are the baddest ever do the dub. He said, me don't sing it, he say, have dance at camp. If I come at camp. So I go at camp, and the man say, hear the intro. The man say, anybody don't make nice for this song. That means that song is not bad. That's the intro he said. And then play the song. And so when you play the song, the whole place, and the man say, one more time. Drop it again. And a more light, more nice and thing. And the man say, one more time again. And then drop it again. When him drop it again, it's a match of place. The man say, selector. So you know what's the tune now. Me now in the dance. Me in the dance. Jump up so. Jump up and go and grab on for me and say, no, hold it, don't make nobody see say you get excited. Hold it. I'm gonna say, all right, and calm down. The song play about 5 times and I said, no, I'm a boss now to blow weebles. Anyway, one day now, me in the studio. Them time now the song release now. Buju song drop now cause it depend like let me just say it not release, it does depend. Well let me say that
pre-release.
Promo. Pre-release. That's the word I'm looking for. The Buju song upon pre-release and release now and the 2 songs them are play. You know? One day me in the studio, deep and dub now. Inside of the studio, but me not too pre-out the door, But remember the studio, a glass right there, so you can't see around and stuff. Anyway, me there and see a man just go so and look around so. And say, I can't believe it. So when him say that now, me go and stop. Remember straight to plate them double going on, so me stop. And we could talking and going out, so I stop and come out and I say, my you. Because them time music up at Penthouse is a man I used to dead with and anything you want, I get it for him and them thing. They understand? Yes.
Okay, so he's seen you wrong. He's seen you wrong and he knew basically who you were, but he didn't know you were the one DJing this tune.
No, who did, yeah. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So like he was upset. Me not go around him upset.
Yeah.
I'm upset and I say, yo, Ray, and you know, and about the lean pan him fence and them thing and you know. But me never have it that way there. I mean I say, yo, as we did say earlier, man, DJ in I see a melody. You understand? So me never know it would be a problem. Anyway, moving on, all of that done and come and cool off and thing. And moving on now, Weepo now call me and say, record the song for him. Yeah, I record the song for Weepo now. Record that song Boom Bye Bye for Weepo, and Weepo goes to Boom and say, you need to give me another song in. And I say, you know, say you have one rhythm from me youth, my love. Yeah, before me even bust me like that rhythm that I always hear you play with a Shabba name. Shabba do a tune say, so long time to love I want them. And I go like, no, she want the cocky with the rim, one way I swing. And I say, I like that rhythm there, you can't rise it. I'm not gonna voice a tune upon it, and them say, yeah man. Anyway, I rise the rhythm. And because a boom and get it and I try I build a tune feed. Anyway, the time I mega voice now, me, Power Man, Harry Toddler, Further Nairi. 4 run a Scorpio that day there. They right, I build a tune. Anyway, I did now and remember Terra probably from bridge into in a car. And Terra sit down with the arrows more time and Terra build some whole heap of song, you know? Terra have a song with name Searching for Something Tall and Black. Big along with 2 bars and that. Directly a company. I said, me and them are going to do it in a combination. She want the T-lash. T-lash. Anyway, it ended up that he voice it by himself. Voice it by himself. Never bother voice it combination. And then he voice a tune and say, requested Mark 10, you know? But I love that melody. So I have that melody then now and the rhythm I run now. I'm say, gal no stop, request a long thing for pushing on them system. Oh me attack up all the time Jacqueline. You know? Yeah. Search on them, find the thing that is black. Wanted by Susie, wanted by Pat. Bam, voice it. Poor man goes to no boom and go on and say, but she name is Kilangberry. When she booked me up, she was only a stray. Harry Toddler. And say, skin out the girl, them skin them out panting. See the Ramaka meeting, the girl, them leg again. So the whole night, the night was so vibes, every song bad. Sabbath now with me carry. I said, Paul, voice in man, say, I'm Paul. Say, all right, from my youth, say so. And she want the good, the good. Anyway, work. Put an Irie. Sign off. You know, remember all the two them voice that night there. Anyway, the mix, drop a road. One day, me and Power drive. We stop up at Aquarius and I say, yo, how the song them are going? And I say, boy, look, no. Right, the shelf is like this. Remember, you know, them get this amount of song, 45. So we reach out there, request a lot of things to your son, done. And Power the boy. Always like, Power man, I said, Power, so oh, your song now, so I request a lot of the people that buy it here. I want to tell man, I want to tell. What? You're new. But Power, but never give a left job at the car. Boy, I wait for something.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.